If you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please go to the subscribe button, red color, and click this. And if you want to get notification of each video, so select all here. So now you have subscribed our channel, you will get new video every time. Hello everybody. Last time we told you about one system of your wall, that how to rotate the wall. We are talking about this wall. That last time we described all function of this wall, and basically we used this wall in our PU machine. So now this wall will be rotated by one equipment. We call that name blow down wall. You can see here, this is the blow down wall. When it will be rotate, now that this is the perpendicular condition 98 degree, so that time this wall will be closed. It will be rotated. It will be rotated, so that time you can see that your wall is opening there. So when it will be rotate, so it will be open and close like this. When air will enter here, so that time it will be work. So there are the 2 points, one incoming and one outgoing, and also A and B point like this. That if you know about the pneumatic system. So the pneumatic valve already we have described in our previous video. You can watch there, and we will add the link of our that video in our description. You can watch. Please don't leave any video without watching, because everything will be attached, because we cannot describe every part of our machine in each every video. So this is the necessary that you have to watch carefully, because we are going to assemble one machine, PU machine. This is not a small topic, this is a big topic, and when it will be assembled, you will find that how we have done this. So that is, so now we are starting here, that this is the wall. So how it will work, that so we will tell you now. This is the body of this. You can see that this is the green signal, that one A and B part we will attach the connector through one pneumatic valve here. So this is the green signal is coming here. You can see that at the bottom, and also that red color means this. So red color is basically mat. Other side also you can see that is the throughout both side. So here when we will give some pressure here, so that pressure will appear this side and also this side. This is the side cover of our blow down valve. So here that pressure, because this is the depth here, that gap here, so that time when red color will be operated, and where some air will come through red rotate throughout that hole, so it will be appear here, and the pressure will build here. And this hole for your adjusting, we will fix one bolt here to adjust our 90-degree angle, to stop, to open our valve, that how much we want to open, so we can set through this bolt. Here we have fixed here that this bolt you can see. Now we will start with here. So when pressure will become, suppose now that red color, this is right hand red color. So this is that ring and cylinder. You can see that this is the cylinder, and this is the ring and piston, like that the pneumatic cylinder working in. We already described all in our previous video in pneumatic cylinder. We will give the link you also. So when pressure will be built inside this portion, air will come, so air will be pressed this portion, so it will be go inside, because that green point is here at the middle, so air will come through this. What air inside, it will become outside. When we will give the pressure this side, so it will be go outside. We can set that the bolt. I have told that how much we want to open, and how we want to rotate this. How much we want that degree of rotation. So we can follow the here, and here you can see that ring are inside. If suppose your ring damage and air is coming here, so you have to open this only and you can change ring here. Or also two rings are in bottom side, so there is we will fix one coupling here, so ring is here also, so air leakage will not done here. So also so we will give the pressure inside, so it will be rotate, and when we will give the pressure both side, so it will be rotate through this piston also. So that is the working only when so that we can see here that it is rotating or not rotating. So that will be so that this is working or not. Now we have fixed this fully with the support of plate, and here you can see that one coupling here and valve, this is the valve. So what we have to rotate, when we will rotate this, you can see that this is going close, and when it will be go, so it will is open. When open time, it will be straight at the this side. This means that this is open. When it will be closed like this, so that time the cross section, and it means the 90 degree, it will be closed totally. So basically we use this valve in our head, so that PU machine head. So this type of three numbers of valve we put in the series, that we will get some chemical from that valve here, MCL valve, NRV. In our previous video already we have described this NRV, so that here inside the bowl, so when pressure will be here, so that time ball will be moved inside and pressure will, or your chemical will enter inside of head to clean your head. If suppose that what is the working, that what is the need of this, because when we need that suppose that black color is running and you want to start your white production or brown production, or that you feel that your cup or your product is not coming very well, quality is low, so that time need to clean every round, after every 60 round, after one round, to clean this head, because isopolyol will be mixed here, we are mixing here, so that time you need to clean that. So MCL will be cleaned with air pressure, so we need this. So you have to watch this video also, and here you can see that this point will be met with that head. The chemical will come here and go to our head. What is the purpose to fix this one? Because this is the pneumatic base, we will fix our pneumatic valve 1 or 1.5 meter distance of this. When our current will be enter in the valve, so current will not directly in touch of chemical. So only our air pneumatic pressure is rotating this valve. So this is in totally safety point. So chemical are not in touch with the fire or some spark or some voltage. So that is the benefit of this. So this is the precaution when we use the chemical, that we have to use some equipment to rotate or to move forward, backward, but not by your electric circuit. So that is the advantage of this. So if we use this, so we have to knowledge about this, that how it is working. Suppose that this is not working, and after 5 year or 6 year, you have to clean this. You open this basically easily, remove that 4 bolt this side. We did not put the bolt, so but you can open that bolt, and when it will be removed, so that time you can change your ring. It will be outside, so you can change your ring also. And if suppose that air will leakage from here or bottom side, so you can easily change the ring. So no need, because if you want that, I can show you that how we can remove all parts. We can remove one by one, that this valve, and also that your valve, full valve, that because we separated these all things. So you can remove one by one, that open this bolt, remove this bolt, and after you can remove this plate. Valve will become come outside with this coupling also, and it will be, you have to remove this lock nut here. So when lock washer will be done, so that time that all plunger will come downside. You can remove this ring easily. And also to repair or to replace this ring, also you have to open this cover or this cover. Easily everything. That only base of the bolt here. Here is some complicated that you have to remove this ring lock washer, and also you have to remove only one bolt and take out all metal outside. So that is the very simple. So this is very simple, and only have to our target only that we will tell to you about all things, that how we will repair this and what is the working. Guys, if you have any question, give the reply and give the comment. You're welcome.